Hey everyone, welcome over here to Funtown RV in Cleburne, Texas. My name is Brandon Garcia. I'm really excited today to display for you the 39CA by Timberwolf. It's a Forest River product, it's a destination trailer, and it's one of the best ones on the market. Let's take a look at the features on this one. So starting off right here, we have dual 30-pound propane tanks that come standard with each RV. So you'll have plenty of propane on your trip, as well as your battery pack. This is a crank tongue jack on this one. Really beautiful, ease of use, awesome. As we're going around just looking at the unit, first and foremost, I'm going to start with the fact that it comes with the marine grade outdoor speakers. You don't have to worry about getting those wet. It's perfect for any kind of weather. You'll be able to jam indoors and outdoors right from your phone, Bluetooth capable, very awesome. So if you're sitting outside, you're enjoying your family, you can crank those tunes up without a worry. Number two, you've got a power awning out here. So with the push of a button, you're able to protect yourself from the sun or the weather or whatever's going on outside. Really awesome. It's got beautiful LED light strips on the side right here. So at nighttime, you can light up the campsite and see what's going on out there. Another great thing about this RV right here, a really functional thing, is the tankless on-demand water heater. What does that mean for you as a consumer? That means as soon as you crank this up, with 3 to 7 seconds, you have continuous hot water throughout your coach. It's a very, very efficient system. One propane tank will get you about 155-minute hot showers. Really awesome. You don't have to worry about running out of shower water or dishwater. It's right there on demand for you. Another great function of this RV is heading up into the coach. You have a sturdy handrail, as well as the more ride sturdy steps. Now, this one is great because it's going to take a licking and keep on ticking and get you right up into your coach safe and sound. Another great thing about this is all the entrances on right here. You have your sliding glass door entrance, an entrance into the main bedroom, an entrance into the back bedroom. Can't rave enough about this one. It's a great RV. If you have a lake house, beach house, if you're taking it to put it somewhere, a deer lease, you won't be disappointed in this one. Plenty of room for your family. As we're walking around the coach, this one is actually 2-inch sidewalls framed in just like your house. It's really tough and built to last. You have your power, you have your jacks right here. They're not power, but you can get your drill gun out and lower those with ease and set up and make your RV level. Now, they're not built to lift the RV up. They're simply built to stabilize it. They're not leveling jacks, stabilization jacks. Don't mess your RV up with that. As we're walking around, this one's gonna have plenty of space for you guys too. You have your Lippert ladder, which is your access to the roof. You just have to have the telescope ladder to go along with it, which makes it really easy. Instead of climbing up the side of an RV like a Spider-Man, you're able to kind of even it out and push it out a little bit to where you can climb up at an angle instead of climbing up directly to the roof. Makes it really simple. This one has 3 slide outs in the back right here, which is gonna give you a ton of space, a ton of room. You're gonna feel like you're in an RV mansion in this one right here. So follow me around. We'll talk about the tires on this one. It's tandem axle. It's a whole lot safer for towing. It's a whole lot easier to get around in. As we're circling around the back, this is a 50-amp service. So your power plug is included in every purchase, but it's also right there. You've got your outdoor shower. This is perfect for animals, for your dogs, or just a husband that's out and rolling in the mud. You can shower them off before they come into the RV and get everything all messed up. Really awesome feature. A little bit of outdoor storage heading under the bed, so you can easily store things outside and inside. Makes it really easy. They thought about almost everything in this RV. It's a wonderful RV. Boom, look how spacious this RV is. Number one, we'll start here in the kitchen, talking about the cup cleaner. This is a pretty cool little function. You can take your cup, push it down right here, the water sprays up into it, cleans it out. You have multiple different functions right here where you can it's got a drying rack, cutting board, places to put your dishes at, awesome little sink, stainless steel. That's another great function. As well as you have a residential refrigerator. Look at the space in this refrigerator. It's beautiful. Freezer, awesome. You can store a ton of food in that one. It's gonna be great for you and the family, as well as take a look at the size of this pantry. You won't be running out of snacks anytime soon. Look how much bigger that is than a regular RV oven. It's not a residential, but you can definitely get more food and more goodies in this one than you could in those smaller little 20-inch ones, as well as a 3-top burner, so you won't have any lack of being able to cook your food when you're in your RV, out on your deer lease, wherever you're at, you're gonna have a fully functional kitchen, which is great for you as a customer because I know I like to eat, and I hope you do too. We're gonna talk about what we have over here. This is your booth-shaped dinette, or your U-shaped dinette, excuse me. U-shaped dinette. So what's cool about this one right here, not only does it have a ton of storage, look how far these come out. They just keep going, it's like a clown car. Back in. But also, if you have other campers around and you need more space for sleeping, this actually turns into a bed. I'll show you how it's done. You take that off the top, move your poles out, take and put them in here, voila. Take your table, flip it sideways, slide it right into the slats. It gets locked into place. Take your cushions, place them down. Now you have a fully functional bed for a grown adult. Very lovely, awesome feature, especially if you have a big family, they always have a place to sleep. So another great function about this RV is the fact that it has a fireplace. It's an electric fireplace, so it runs directly off of your power. It doesn't run off your propane. This right here, not only does it look cool, it'll set the ambiance, the rocks change colors, the flames change colors, but it's also fully functional in the fact that it'll keep this RV right here nice and toasty during the winter time, so nobody that's cold-blooded is feeling freezing. We got a 50-inch flat screen TV that comes with every unit, so you're able to enjoy the game or watch your TV shows or movies or whatever you like to do with your family. That's an awesome thing. As well as plenty of cabinetry all over the place. If you'll check this out, really nice. Store a lot of things in this one. So another thing is you have direct access to your loft, 2 twin bunks up there, as well as a little bit of storage, electrical outlets everywhere, USB plug-ins. You won't have any lack to charge your devices or anything else that you're gonna take on the camping trip with you. And a grown man can get up there. Awesome. If you have kiddos, these kiddos love the lofts. That's one thing that kids enjoy. Every time I sell a camper, they're running in the lofts, they're climbing up in them. I think your kids will really love it, as they all do. As we're going down into the spare bedroom, in here we have what's called a jackknife sofa. So not only does it look cool, because you have a sofa that you can sit on, hang out, watch the TV when it's plugged in, but also if you need another sleeping space, you simply grab one side, flip the other, lay it down. Now you have a fully functional bed. Always grab one end and grab the other, because if not, you'll have a hard time getting it up. That's just with every jackknife sofa. This one actually has 2 full bathrooms in it. So in this spare bathroom right here, not only do you have a fully functional shower, but you also have a tub. I know the moms out there love that for the little ones because you want to bathe them. Well, we've got the answer for you. As well as a porcelain toilet. That's always so much better than plastic, a whole lot more sturdy, it'll last you a whole lot longer. As well as your sink, you have plenty of storage for cat towels and what other kind of things you want to store. Toiletries, all that fun stuff, and a medicine cabinet. This thing is chock full. This thing is chock full of storage, and you can't have too much storage in an RV. That's just not possible. We're going out to the next room. We'll stop by the main restroom. So again, residential shower here on this side. Really awesome sliding glass door. I'm 6 foot tall, I have plenty of space. You have stainless steel fixtures in here, none of that plastic stuff. Really awesome. Height of this is incredible. You can see how anybody that's tall, if you're over 6 foot, this is the RV for you. You have plenty of headroom, no need there, okay? Coming down, you have another porcelain throne. Boom. More storage for towels, cat, toiletries, all that fun stuff like that. Coming into the bedroom now, this is the main bedroom. Not only does it have a king-size bed right here, plenty of space for you to sleep in. You're gonna be so comfortable in this one. You have some overhead storage right there. You can keep clothing in that, whatever you wanted to put, as well as in the bedroom, for our cold-blooded folks, you have a fully functional fireplace. You cut that on and you will be warm during the winter. TV goes right here. You have your cable outlets, power jacks, all that fun stuff like that. And on top of that, check this out, folks. Splendid stackable washers and dryers in each unit so that you're able to wash clothes, keep yourself nice and clean when you're out there on your deer lease, when you're out there at your beach house, wherever you may be. This is the RV for you. So one more great thing about the 39CA by Timberwolf is the fact that it has two 15,000 BTU ACs. It's gonna keep you nice and cool during the summertime. They're ducted, so every room in the RV is gonna be cooled off. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. My name is Brandon Garcia. We're over here at Funtown RV. We'd love to see you. So another great function about this RV is the fact that it has a fireplace. It's an electric fireplace, so it runs directly off of your power. It doesn't run off your